It's so exciting to be here today to see children and families coming together to play, to engage with digital technologies and to talk with us.
Today marks the first day that the ARC Centre for the Digital Child, Children's Technology Centre, is out and about in the community. So we were very excited to receive the invitation from the QUT Digital Media Research Centre to be a part of their 2022 Flowstate outreach activities.
The centre was established because parents, educators and teachers were so concerned about digital technologies. How much screen time should children have? What about sleep time? What about digital gaming? And so the centre was established to really address these kinds of questions. The centre is for children and it also is with children. So to be here today, playing with the children, talking with them, listening to how they are thinking and problem solving and learning in this digital space is so exciting.
We've got a number of activities set out today for the children to play with at South Bank. We've got the EB3s where children can take them through mazes. We've also got the B-Bots where kids can actually play with them through the different mats that we've got available. And we've also got some AR apps on the iPads.
It's really fantastic to be here today at South Bank for our showcase day, and we really saw this as a wonderful opportunity to bring researchers together from across the university. So we've got researchers here today from the Digital Media Research Centre and the ARC Centre of Excellence for the Digital Child. And it's a really wonderful opportunity for us to showcase what we're doing in this whole area of trying to understand how people use digital technologies in their everyday lives.
We're actually watching the children actually teaching their parents the coding skills that they've learnt at school. So very simple activities we've got here today, but they can be extended when children get to school, and also different activities they can do at home with the sequencing idea that parents are learning today as well.
As educators, we know how important it is for children to learn to be producers of digital texts and technologies as well as consumers. And that's why we're interested in engaging with very young children and digital technologies.
So not every child's going to be a programmer, and we know that, but these type of activities engage them in that world where they're actually going to be using coding or programming. So getting them slowly into this at an early age helps excite them and engage them and think about their future a little bit as well. One of the activities we did was an AR app that we use. Kids do a drawing and then they can actually make their drawing come to life with this AR app. It's actually showing parents how they could do that and make their drawing come to life, actually help engage the children with that as well.
As a centre, we are so excited to bring together researchers, children, families. The centre is about being public-facing, outward-facing, to really engage and capture our families, our teachers, our educators, and all of those working with children.
Hi, my name is Hamish, and I am 10 years old. It was really fun. I got a notebook and a pen over at the station with the animations. I did an AI image, a chef cooking a rainbow.
We also had some spinning tops, which are very popular with the younger children, where they just hold the pen and the robot actually does different speeds and they make pretty patterns with the paper that they've got.
So after the success of today, having several hundred children come through with their families and friends to engage with technologies, to teach us how to use technologies, and to have fun playing and learning with digital technologies, materials, resources and texts, we'll be here next year as well, as part of the Australian Research Council Centre of Excellence for the Digital Child.
I also love seeing so many generations of grandparents here today to bring together parents, children, grandparents, aunties, uncles, all together, really playing and engaging and talking. That is really the heart of what we mean when we talk about children engaging with digital technologies.